After a few days dominated by clouds and cool temperatures, what a perfect way to start the weekend and to end your Friday. What a gorgeous sunset we're seeing right now live from Sky 5 on South Padre Island. Look at that beautiful sunset. Just about 3 more minutes to go and it'll be below the horizon. Nice view out there from Sky 5. Let's look at the temperatures, see where we stand right now. At the beach, it's 53 in Port Isabel. Pretty close to that across a lot of the valley. A little warmer when you get back to the west in Starr County. Overnight tonight, it's going to be chilly. Looking at mostly 40s across the region once again. We're not going to have the gusty wind that we had last night and early this morning, so it won't feel quite as cold, even though it is. Maybe even a degree or two colder than last night. And then tomorrow, we're back up close to 70, in fact, right at 70 in McAllen and Rio Grande City. But the southeast wind brings warmer, more humid air back in off the Gulf of Mexico, and with that, temperatures bounce back at least a little closer to normal for this time of year. That normal is 74. Not going to make it tomorrow, but we'll be closer than we've been for a couple of days. And then Sunday and Monday, 77 and 79. Record's not going to be threatened, but we'll be back above average once again. Satellite, we had thick cloud cover much of the day, but this evening those clouds thinning out, and it looks like they'll be gone for a while. But then tomorrow, southeast wind kicks in. A little sunshine early, but then the clouds kind of take over as the day goes on, and we end up mostly cloudy during the afternoon. But even with that, we can warm back up in the upper 60s. Then as we go into the overnight hours tomorrow night, it's chilly again. Not as chilly as tonight, but still cool. And then Sunday still dominated by clouds, but we're able to warm up a little bit more. It's a mix of clouds and sunshine, but probably heavier on the cloud part of the mix than the sun. As we look at the rain chances now, we've got a chance in there, not for tomorrow during the day, a 10% probability tomorrow night and Sunday, primarily because of that moisture coming back in off the Gulf. There's enough of it that it could bring a sprinkle or two, but probably nothing measurable. Another front on Monday gives us a 30% chance for rain once again. Light cool down on Monday, a better cool down likely for the second part of the week. Looking to the north, 46 in Dallas, 54 in Galveston. Austin's 51 tonight. Big upper air storm system off to the west. That'll move across Texas over the next few days and eventually push a front into the valley. Right now, the high pressure's in control, giving kind of a northerly wind down the coast. That high moves away tomorrow, so the southeast wind kicks back in, and that brings the slightly warmer temperatures in. And then Sunday, even warmer yet. And with that warmer, more humid air comes moisture across Texas, and again, maybe even a sprinkle or two here. Then we've got another front. This cool front comes in Monday. Could trigger a shower or two, but not a big time cool down behind that one. But there's a second one on the map. That one's due late Tuesday, and with that one, we have a stronger high behind it, so colder air will build in. But this time, instead of going overcast with light rain and drizzle, it's probably going to clear out, which means nighttime temperatures will be pretty chilly. But daytime highs probably climbing back into the 60s, but blue skies instead of overcast conditions with clouds and drizzle. At the coast tomorrow, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots, choppy on the bay still. UV index is low. There's a small craft advisory until midnight tonight. The risk of rip currents remains high. There are tides tomorrow, 8:15 in the morning for the high, 5:37 tomorrow evening for the low. So tonight, mostly cloudy. Clouds thicken up later. 44 for a low, light northerly winds. Then tomorrow, mostly cloudy, but a milder day. Temperatures climb back up into the upper 60s. Your first 1-5 accurate weather forecast for the next 7 days. We stay in the upper 70s from Sunday until Tuesday. Tuesday, a spotty shower possible, and then the front comes in and we're cooler. Look at that. Only 63 for a high on Wednesday, down to 49, 40 degrees Thursday morning, back to 66, but plenty of sunshine behind that front. A different situation than what we went through this week. That's your updated first 1-5 accurate weather forecast.